All right, welcome to New Life Chiropractic. This main front area here is our front reception. When you come in these doors, you will be greeted by one of our highly trained, vibrant team members who will get you started on the process of becoming a patient. We'll have you complete a little bit of intake information so we can get to know a little bit about you and what your health goals are or what some of your present challenges are. And then one of our team members will get your information and data inputted into our highly sophisticated chiropractic software, and we'll begin the process of your new patient consultation. So down here, this is our new patient consultation room where we have all of our highly sophisticated chiropractic technology. We have got a digital x-ray unit should we need to take any images of your spine. We also use digital infrared thermography to be able to detect things like autonomic nerve system dysfunction and inflammation levels. We use a digital scaled range of motion unit to see exactly how the movement patterns in your spine are doing and if there's any restriction or premature aging happening inside your spine. We'll do a neurological, a structural, and a postural assessment of you to determine where your problems are, if there are any hidden struggles that you're not even aware of, and then we'll be able to develop a good structured approach to you becoming able to heal and regenerate any of these issues that you're facing. Once we've dotted all the I's and crossed all the T's, you're now ready to begin the care that is going to help you heal and improve any spine and other structural or health-related issues that we're working on together. This main area here is where the patients spend the bulk of their time receiving the care that helps them get better and stronger and healthier. In here, we have patients warm up their spines with a pre-adjustment routine that gets fluid moving through the discs, helps to lubricate the joints, and even begins to stimulate and nourish the brain in a strong, healthy way. We have very sophisticated air compressor driven chiropractic adjustment tables that help to keep the adjustment process precise and very gentle for our patients so that they don't experience any significant side effects from their adjustments. We also use a very precise and sophisticated neuromechanical adjusting instrument that actually helps to move the spine in a very particular way and even to reset some of the neurological receptors inside the spine to be able to reprogram it in a strong, healthy way. This is the area where the patients spend most of their time receiving their life-changing chiropractic adjustments. This area over here is our whole body vibration rehabilitation area. Many of our patients are interested in holding their adjustments and making their health changes as permanent as possible. Whole body vibration helps to activate the postural muscles of the spine and stimulate those changes to become anchored in and stronger, and allows patients to experience longer lasting effects of their chiropractic care. Hey, thanks so much for spending this time with us. Hopefully it gave you a nice warm introduction to our office. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out and ask. We're always here to support you and make you feel as comfortable as possible.